it's a must. You can earn money on social media. You can earn money on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs, anywhere. But today I'm going to show you the narrative that, like, there are 5 to 10 things you should avoid and you should not focus on if you want to earn money, in particular on Facebook. Because most people, it applies also in other platforms, but most people think of some things and it has been stuck in people's brain, in people's thinking. Whoever is coming on social media and wants to be a social media entrepreneur, I call you entrepreneurs, I don't call you, because some people, when you don't know this is a business, you take it for granted. So I call myself a social media entrepreneur because every morning I make sure I want to see how much have I done on this platform. I don't even ask how many friends, how many followers, how many views. No, I want to know how much have done in this platform, on the other platform. So there are some things that most people have given you, they've given you a wrong narrative, they've given you a wrong misconception on social media platforms as far as earning is concerned. So in today's video, you're going to know the 5 or 10 things you should not mind about if you want to earn money on social media. You should not concentrate on, because they have made most people go astray. They've made people even go to the extent of looking for them, and I've forgotten the money is somewhere else. So let's dive in. Let's see the first one. But before that, I would want to appreciate all the engagers. Any person that is engaging our post, is it Facebook, is it TikTok, is it Instagram, any post, you are so we love you so much, because engagement is the first key to getting money on social media platforms. Engagement, it shows how your content is variable, how it is loved. So, and in that, it is distributed. The algorithm distributes it wider. And when it is not engaged, of course, they will say, no, this product is not cool, so they will not. So the first point that you should not focus on is views. Remove the mentality of thinking when someone has a lot of views, it means has money. No. And that is a big capital no. I told you, Immaculate Show came to expose the secrets. I know most content creators who have been there, the legendary, they know this. Maybe some of them don't know because they don't read the analytics. Whatever comes, it's what they take. Because theirs is that. They feel that money they're earning is that good. It's that good. And they've made individuals to go an extra mile to go and buy views. You get people buying views because we have now people who are selling views. Do you know why they are in the market selling views? It's because there are people looking for the views. So when there is a need, it means the market, when there is a need for something, it means the market will go high. So people have come up. You'll find them advertising. If you want to get 100 views, if you want to get 200 views, please, why should you buy views? Now, purely and from experience and looking in the camera, looking into you, what you're thinking, don't mind about someone who is having a lot of views. No, unless is having views and other things I'll be discussing with you in this video or later in another day. So views don't mean money. Don't chase views if you're in an aim or in a mission to make money. Choose money. And when you choose money, you will learn a lot of things. So views, please don't buy views, because even if you buy views, it's like you're opening a shop and you're going to buy people to come to buy into your shop. You're buying your own merchandise. Who is losing? It's you. You know me, I always ask people, how I'm looking for money, and how come I go and ask again, I go to buy views? What next if you buy views? You don't get money. Even the money you've put in, you'll not get. When I came to understand this, I hardly gift myself. I gift myself because I need to, because there is a person in me and then there is another person who is doing content. So that's when I say, no, I need to appreciate myself. Then I gift myself on Facebook, I gift myself on TikTok, I gift my own self. But don't rely on views thinking it has money. Dare me, get someone with million views bring him here, and I also bring my own. Then we compare the dashboards. That is point number one. Point number two, people, when they say this one is a creator or is a social media person, people are minding more on followers and subscribers. Can you underline and cut it out? Don't focus more on your followers. Not on your followers. Don't focus more on how many followers I have or how many subscribers I have. Those people don't bring money. Money is not in the people that how many people are following you. Money is in people who are watching your content. You might be having 1 million followers. You might be having 10 million followers. But if we go to see your money, the money is down. Now, this the demand for followers and subscribers has also brought an eruption of people having a business to sell followers, because people feel if I have many followers, I'm okay, I'm big, I'm good. No way. If you're watching this video, get to know that followers don't make anything for a creator or for a person who is making entrepreneurship, who is making business. However, if you know you're a person who says, I want to get deal, and now the business is also opening up, because gone are the days when you used to brand them with your subscribers. I have 1 million subscribers. I have 10 million likes. Right now, if I want, you will see my videos all with 10 million views, 10 million views. But what is an essence or 10 million followers? What is the essence of me having followers when I'm buying them? So if you know you're a new creator and people who are watching me, don't mind. Run with people who love what you give. That will be another video. The things you should mind about. Now these negatives, the narrative, the people what they think. You having million of views, million of followers without money, that is a no. So clear in your mind, remove it. Then the third and the last, you'll excuse me, I want to make this video short. It's about the type of content you give. Most people think if you give the content, like for example, the length of the content, not the type, the length of the content. Most people think if I'm on Facebook and I give 4 minutes video, it means I'll get more money. If I'm on YouTube and give 12 minutes video, I'll get money. Remove that from your mind. From experience, I've seen a video on Facebook of 10 seconds, but that is a required minimum requirement for your video to be monetized. It will be monetized. And a video of 3 minutes will be monetized. The difference between the two is that the number of adverts that are going to go on a video of 10 seconds are different. It will be like 1 or 2. So if you get a person who is watching the whole video, of course the one of 3 minutes will get more revenue. But now come to think about it. How many people are watching up to 3 minutes? This is the narrative I want us to remove out from there. So please, whatever you're doing, get to know that it's not about the length of the video. I have a video on YouTube, on Facebook that are working more better. I have those videos that are working better with 4 minutes, 4 minutes, better than the video of 7 minutes. Why? You go and see the watch duration. Watch duration, people come and watch the longer video, they watch 2 seconds, 2 minutes. Then the other short video, you find people are watching 3.5 minutes out of 4. So from today, I would want and I wish that you should be mindful of these 3 things: the views, the followers, the subscribers, and the duration of your video. Those ones are just hearsays. And this is a pro tip. If you want to be a good creator, please keep reading your analytics, your dashboard, compare and contrast among the 2 videos. To bring this video, I had to compare 2 videos. There is one video and another video. And I said, no, let me talk to these people. Because most of you think it's about these 3 things for you to earn more money. Let me see in another video. Bye-bye.